Today's video is going to be a speed review video. I have a ton of newly launched makeup products in front of me. These products are viral and I'm here to share with you guys if these products are worth purchasing. We have a lot of newly launched makeup products in the market currently, and this type of videos are very helpful to choose which product to skip and which product you should actually purchase. These products, I already tested them out. I already know, I have my thoughts ready, and I'm going to share this makeup look as well. This is the full face using all these products, viral newly launched makeup products. So let's get started. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is this one from K-Beauty. This is the Sheer Silk Primer. This says that this is a matte finish primer, but I do have some problem with this primer. First, when you apply this primer, it's like a very glowing, it's very satiny, but after some time it dries out pretty matte. It says that this is a matte primer, but to be very honest, the matte finish of this primer is not something that I like. I know I talked about this product before. I liked it, but after some times when I started using it, it feels very thick, very creamy, light, not at all lightweight, and I don't know, it feels very uncomfortable on my skin. So that's the reason I don't recommend this. I don't like the finish of this. There are so many other good primers, especially Swiss Beauty Primer, Inside Cosmetics, Mars. There are other brands as well. Like if you want high-end type of primers, you can definitely go for it. You can try out e.l.f. primer as well, but this primer is not my favorite. It's very expensive at the same time. I will say I was trying to find a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury primers or the moisturizer. I was hoping that this will be somewhat similar, but it's not the case. This is very, very different, very differently formulated than the Charlotte Tilbury one, and obviously it's not supposed to be a dupe, but I was thinking that maybe scent is quite high. It's very perfumey type of product, not my favorite at all. And the next product is this L'Oreal Infallible Tinted Serum Foundation. Oh my god, the moment this product launched, I was so surprised. This product is insanely beautiful. This is what I have on my skin right now. I love this skin tint so much. This is such a beautiful, long-lasting skin tint. More like a foundation, but a very, very natural finish. This skin tint will not give you that sheer coverage. It contains a good amount of coverage, but it's so natural looking, which is the best part. It gives your skin that healthy, radiant glow, which is absolutely amazing. This is what I have on my skin, and you can see how flawless it looks. If you want a skin tint which will cover up your blemishes, your acne marks, and you want it to, cover up certain areas of your face, but still you don't want to use foundation, this is the perfect product for you. This is the type of skin tint that everyone will love, no matter what skin type you have. Even if you have oily skin, you will love this product, but make sure to shake the product really well before using it. The applicator is beautiful. It comes in a dropper packaging like this, which I personally am a big fan of. I do have another skin tint from L'Oreal Paris, but that one is more I will say satin to matte finish, but this is a hydrating type of a formula. It is so beautiful, comes in different shades, perfect for every single skin tone. I am particularly using the shade 4.5 medium, and this product contains hyaluronic acid. So if you are a dry skin person, I am a combination skin and I love this product. If you are a dry skin person, you will absolutely love this tinted serum foundation. I will say there are so many skin tints right now in the market, but I don't have anything bad to say about this product. I keep this in my everyday makeup bag, but still I think this is the best one so far. Obviously, currently I'm loving the Makeup Forever skin tint, but this is, if you want something in affordable range, this is the one I will definitely recommend. Now, these are the newly launched Maybelline foundation stick. Now, you will not get this in India. You have to pre-order or purchase from any makeup page. This is something I am loving currently because this is an easy to use type of a product. I purchased the shade 20 and 04. So 04 is definitely lighter. I use this for my concealer, and 20 is my foundation shade. This product is so unique. I have a lot of foundation sticks with me, the Fenty Beauty one, the Milani one, Makeup Revolution, so many other foundation sticks, but this is like a product that you can keep it in your purse, you can use it and you can blend it out. This is so good, but this is not a product for dry skin person. If you are a dry skin, I don't think you will love it that much, but if you have oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, normal skin, acne prone skin, you will love this product. It is so good. Just a quick touch up that you need, and you can blend it with your fingers and you're good to go. I use this under my eyes as my concealer. You can use these products in so many different ways, as your foundation, as your concealer, as your contour. You can obviously take a deeper shade as your contour, and these are like the perfect products that you can keep for that, you know, office makeup days or maybe college makeup days, where it will look very, very natural at the same time. Plus, you don't have to set the product because it's self-setting, and it's also absolutely lightweight, looks very natural, which is the best part. I just love this product so much. These are called the multi-use face stick, and I can definitely say that these are multi-use. You can use it for anything, literally, to highlight your face, to contour your face, as I already mentioned. And these are absolutely buttery, smooth, contains like a crayon type of a finish, I will say. Now let's talk about the most viral loose setting powder, which is from Huda Beauty. This is the Ube Birthday Cake. This is the shade Ube Birthday Cake that I'm going to talk about. You guys already know my thoughts about the Huda Beauty loose setting powder, but this particular shade is very, very unique. It's not something for everyone, but this particular powder is it does not give you that purpley finish. You have to use it way too much to get that purpley finish, but it's very, very beautiful. Sometimes we do use a yellow type of foundation. Our skin looks very warm, very yellowish. This is a powder for that. You can use this purple powder to cancel out the yellowness from your under eyes or from your face. Do not use too much. Say use a light amount and you will see the difference. I am using this under my eyes and I just love this product. The packaging is not my favorite one because it's very hard to get the powder, you know, but yeah, you can open this up and you can get the product easily. This powder is not for every single skin tone, but if you have like a very warm skin tone and foundation tends to look very yellow on your skin, then this is the powder for you. It's very fine, very easy to use, easily melts into your skin, does not look way too powdery, but definitely don't use too much or else it will look way too powdery on your skin. And it also blends into your skin really well. Does not change the color of your foundation that much, but if you are using a yellow type of a concealer or a foundation, it will definitely color correct that area. I am using this currently and you can see how flawless my under eye looks right now. With this Maybelline foundation stick and the Huda Beauty Ube Birthday Cake loose setting powder, it's like a match made in heaven. It looks so flawless, not patchy at all. And this is the first time I tried these two products together and I'm absolutely in love. Let's talk about this newly launched eyeshadow palette from Nykaa Cosmetics. This is what the palette looks like. This is called 9-in-1 eyeshadow palettes. It's the I Go Bare Nudes eyeshadow palette. These shadows are extremely beautiful and it reminds me of the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. The only thing that I don't like is these shades are way too orangish. Like, it's not true to its color. Once you use it, you will see how this particular brown shade will turn into that deep orangish color. They should stay true to their colors. Like, I want this color to be a nudish pink, so it should be a nudish pink, not orangish pink. So the undertone of this palette is definitely very orangish, very warm. Get that perfect shimmer shades as well, perfect matte shades, nude shades, and these are absolutely amazing palette for a beginner. If you want eyeshadow palette which will contain a lot more warm tones and a lot more shimmers and warm tone shimmers as well, plus a little bit of rose gold type of a finish, this is the palette for you. They do have a pink one and a colorful one. I'm trying to get my hands on the pink one so that I can review it for you guys. Let me know if you're interested. This palette is amazing. The formula is buttery soft. The shimmer shades are absolutely stunning. A little bit of fallout that I can see, except that this palette is absolutely beautiful. You also get a mirror, which I love. You can take this palette anywhere you want. Perfect palette, perfect matte shades. You do not have to, you know, dip your brush again and again to get that pigmentation. The pigmentation is absolutely amazing, and also I just love how easily you can blend the product. It does not look patchy, does not look like you have a spot of eyeshadow all over your eyelid. It's like very easy to blend. The powder, the matte shades are very fine, and it's like you can use it with any brush and it will work absolutely well. I love this one. It's so good. This particular blush is newly launched. This is called the Buttery Bliss blush stick, and this is more like a butter blush. This is what I have. You can feel like it's going to be very sticky, your hair is going to stick, but it's not going to stick. It's so beautiful. It brings that life on your face. I love how this color, particularly Hush Hush, looks so natural on my skin. It looks like I have a little bit of blush and it looks so natural, so healthy. The glow is amazing. If you're a glowy blush person, you will love this one. Packaging is so good and you get a lot of product. This is what it looks like. Your typical cream blush contains a lot more pigmentation, a lot more thickness, and a lot more creamy. This is like a butter. I mean, melting in your skin. It's not that thick. It's more transparent and gives you that sheer type of a blush finish. I hope you understand what I'm saying. It gives you that very thin, lightweight layer which is not extremely creamy, not extremely thick, not greasy as well, and does not give you that oily type of a finish. It's like pure glow. You can say this as an oily finish. If you have a oily skin, it may not suit you, but if you are a dry skin person or a combination skin, or no matter what skin type you have, and if you want a glowy blush, then this one from Glam will be your best friend. It's not available in India currently, but I will mention the page from where I purchased it. Next is a lip liner. This is the lip liner I'm wearing currently. This is a good product, but not something I will recommend. You can get a lot of beautiful lip liners at an affordable price. Not this one. This is so expensive. This is the Rode Peptide lip liner and lip shape. So if you are someone you don't want your lip liner to be very precise like me, then this lip liner is going to be a good one for you. But still, I don't think it's good because it's super expensive. And you can use any type of, like, you can buy the Huda Beauty one. It's like so good, very long lasting. These are not long lasting as well. I love the color. This is the shade Balance, which is a deep brown shade. I love it, and I sometimes use it as my nose contour because of the tone. The tone of this lip liner is beautiful. It's a perfect brown tone lip liner, not too warm, not too cool, so perfect, but it's not long lasting, and this particular sponge or silicone type of a thing is useless. I haven't used this ever in my life, and yeah, I think if I finish this product, I won't repurchase it again. Rode products are typically my favorite. They are good, but this is one product I don't think I will repurchase or recommend. You can get so many other products in the market currently, but this is not something worth purchasing because it's so expensive. The lip liner is bulky. The packaging is very bulky and it does not look good. This is the shape of the lip liner, and these are called lip shape, but I think these are more like a smudged out, more for a smudged out lip liner look, which I personally love. I don't want my lip liner to be precise. I want it to, you know, smudge out, and I want it to be not so perfect. This is a type of product for that, but still I will say not worth purchasing. Now moving on to our lip products, this lip combo is my favorite one. It's so good. It's the perfect rose mauve nude lip liner, lip color. So I am in love with these Pixi, I think these are called lip tints, or I don't know the name. Yeah, these are the lip tints, satin lip tints from Pixi. These are not your regular lip tints. These are super long lasting and it will give you a matte finish. I love these products. These are extremely lightweight, very thin. First when you will apply it, it will feel like a watery lip tint, but once it gets dry, it will turn into that beautiful matte lip color, which I love. I use this particular shade called Soft, which is so amazing. It's like that perfect soft mauve pink color, absolutely amazing with a brown lip liner. The applicator is amazing. This is what the applicator looks like. I haven't heard anyone talk about this product. It is so good, and I am using it constantly, literally every single day, because how long lasting these are. Usually lip tints are not that long lasting, but these are so long lasting. And if you are a matte girl person like me, I love matte lipsticks. Will give you that tinted finish, but it will turn out matte, which I love. Then my most favorite lip oils. This is the lip oil that I'm wearing on my lips. The combo is to die for. This is the L'Oreal Plump Ambition Hyaluronic Acid Lip Oil, and I use the shade Plump Ambition 601. Worth it. It's such a beautiful shade. They have so many different shades, like this brown one, they have some nude one, red one, so many different lip oils, and I think this lip oil will beat any high-end lip oil. The Dior lip oil, any high-end lip oil, I will say these are absolutely amazing. This will plump up your lips definitely, but will not hurt your lips, which I really love. The applicator is so good, and please, if you want a good lip oil, go for this. You will not regret. These are so amazing, highly pigmented. You don't have to reapply the product again and again, and super shiny. It will give you that glossy, shiny finish you can see on my lips, like a glass skin finish. I love, love, love these lip oils. And if you want to get anything, like any one thing from this video, if you want to purchase any one particular product, I will say go for this L'Oreal lip oil. You will see the magic. It is so amazing. Guys, that's pretty much it. What do you guys think? I really enjoyed this particular video, and this is the finished makeup look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below which product was your favorite. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, keep on the notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.